Hi guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at the stroke tab under the fill and stroke editor. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and we make short little problem solving videos. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, yeah, just a reminder, this is a mini series on the fill and stroke editor, and we've already covered the full tab, and today we're going to be looking at the stroke tab, and I will also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Otherwise, if you guys do not see your fill and stroke editor, you can always locate it here on your standard toolbar. Close to the undo and redo, we've got the second icon from that to the right. The shortcut for that is Control I. We can also go to the top to view, and we navigate down till we see fill and stroke editor. And click that, it'll open it. Now under the tabs here, we've got the fill, and then the next one is the stroke, and a few different options. Now keep in mind, if you on your show, so if you don't have anything selected, when you adjust the stroke here, it will be adjusting it for your default. So when you make a new shape or anything like that, it will be using this settings. Where if you have something selected, as we can see here, it saves individual stroke information depending on what you have selected. So now let's start here with the circle, and we first look at the most important features. So the ones you're going to be using most often, most likely most often. In any case, so where we have this little X here, that'll be your color. At the moment, the X means there's nothing, so it's transparent, as you can see. I don't know why. Oh, it's because we have it selected that we can see a bit of a red rim there. It's just your selection to show something selected. So then, from this little menu, if we click, you can go and choose all your colors. So I'm just going to make mine red for now, so it's more obvious. And the next thing you would want to set normally is the stroke width, which has got the stroke with two little red arrows pointing at it. It's a bit hard to see if you're not zoomed in, so I personally would have tried to get a better icon for that, but yeah, this is kind of what they went for. So now if we increase the number, you can see the actual stroke increasing. You can decrease it as well. You can obviously type in custom numbers also. Now when it comes to the actual style or stroke style, we'll be covering this in another video, as there's a few things we have to look at. Otherwise, next up then, we've got the corner types or joint types. So if we had to go to this one, I'm just going to zoom in here a bit to the corner so it's more obvious. Then from this, we've got three different types. So we've got the current one, which is on, is the sharp. Then we've got one that's kind of beveled, and then we've got a round one. So let's start with the beveled one first. So if you look there, you can see it's got a nice little bevel cut down. And then obviously we've got the round one. So depending on your design, if you're going to design with a lot of round edges and that, you can wish to consider using the round. Otherwise, just leave it on the sharp for now. And next up, we've got the little stroke here. Sorry, my apologies. Press the wrong button there. Go back to FlexiSTARTER. So we've got the stroke end caps or cap types. So at the moment, we've got a normal just what is this cap called again? It's called just a normal square. Then we put the round cap and the butt cap. Yes, I know that sounds very weird, but that's actually what they name it. In any case, so the square one will keep an equal space. So let's say your stroke is running here in the center. It will keep an equal space from the right to the left of the stroke and also to the top. Where if we had to go to the butt cap, it will actually cut it in line with the strokes. If the stroke's running here, it will be in line with it instead of putting some extra stroke space. And then we also have the round cap, which, as you can see, just like the corners, you can make it round, which is rather convenient. Then yeah, that'll be it for now. So in the next video we'll cover the stroke style and what these two bottom ones mean. Otherwise, we head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And also you can isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the video you're looking for, you can always go request a training video and then we'll make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching and cheers.